Water is a serious challenge for this community from a very long time. And from I was a little boy until now, the water situation was like good in the 90s. You understand? But since of lately, only the trucks come in and give us some water and on a weekly basis. So, we would like the water system to be much better. We are here to grow them place, water no. See there, the water not come here, so the whole of them place are in a push years. But the water truck come and give you this, and sometimes rain, we have to set them on and they got a rainfall. So I just saw normally our water we have to drink, we have to buy water to keep to drink. So we just use like this flush toilet and wash it and wash and we have to skinge it too, because when the truck come like this week or next 2 weeks before it come back, or sometimes longer, we have to really go up the rainfall, so we set them to get the rainwater. Sometimes too we have to conserve when we use a little water wash and them something there. We have to put it down with even flush toilet, so we can't even dash the water as how we would have want to use. We have to really conserve and water. Sometimes we have to walk a couple miles well to get some water. Sometimes rain no fall for months, as when we have drought we have to walk. Sometimes push all wheelbarrow to carry water. Alright, you see, like in the 90s, 92, 93, so we used to have water, but the climate change, water kind of really get down very low, you understand? It's only when the rain falls, we have water.
From the pipe?
From the pipe, for a good little while, might be 3 months or 4 months. And then now when the system run low, we don't have any water again. So that's why the water commission should be with the truck and truck for some water.
When the water do come out the pipe, is it clean? Like you can drink?
Yes, man. Very good water.